Yeah. Huh. Sikhwanizo. Angithi ukudla vele siyakuthanda siphila ngakho siza siqamba amagama makumnandi sidlala ngakho khale sibhakela nophuthe enkopholo kusho ifosholo zalo on the real. Depopulation means they even had to weaponize food twana kill us with the main sauce Szechuan shitty stuff made in a laboratory. They never saw it cause they wrote it on the backpack and blame me for eating. Cycle in the metrics we caught up in the center of the plates. Bulawa ma 7 color ma statistics akaqamba manga booty it's silent by one war zone. Careful what you swallow, dynamite in the Mac box. Medications of ingredients are pending in a box. The chicken box was never enough, but at the monkey box, but normalize of abnormal. I feel aesthetic shock, food cloning, no leadership, nama GMO, keeping us on cycle and making sure that we're vibing lows. Penduki fundiswa. Sifundana nokudla amasosha amaningi asela khona saliswe ngokudla wadla umalume ebusuku kusena ngabange savuka abantwana bathenga uswidi emakhaya kwabanethuna ukudla okwadlula nemphefumulo ejozi ukudla kwafaka ingane esibhedlela kwagcwala amawodi othi ngikhumbuza upresident bamzama ngokudla bathi bayamketula impilo yakhe bembone efukuzi leadership eRussia yathi cha thina somfukulo ukudla. Weapon of mass destruction. Dr. Sebu sikhumbuzile selecting mission it's either simshaya indiva noma sibuyele emasisweni singena ensimini negeja ntwana siphana amaseed cause we forever in the jungle like your Adam and Eve. Let's just eat well and hibernate permanently cause we are part of the tree. So banana when it matters. Hey.